Ikeno cia muthia wa kiumia cia aria marekinyitie kirabu-ini kia Oystery Kilimani utuko wa muthenya wa Juma iratiririo iguru ni gwikinyia kwa maabitha a NEMA na thirikari ya Nairobi magioka gukinyaniria watho wa kuhinga kirabu giki.
About 10 days ago we came and gave them an order asking them to close and do what they're supposed to do in accordance with the noise and excessive vibrations regulations. That is, they need to soundproof, or whatever they do within this facility should not affect the neighboring residents.
So they continue to operate despite the notices that they have been served with. So it is that then prompted for us to get in contact with NEMA, because we work as in conjunction with NEMA to have the DG get us a closure note order.
Thutha wa kunengera arugamĩrĩri a kirabu giki marua, maabitha aya maratigĩrĩire ni marutirura andu othe hamwe na aruti a wĩra na kuhinga mirango biũ. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi yugite no nginya ene irabu aria mari gukuhi na cikaro cia andu matee watho wa inegene, wakorwo ti uguo makinya ta maya no meguthie na mbere kuoywo.
We actually leaving our as enforcement officers to man this place until such a time that compliance has been achieved. So there will be officers manning this place during the day and during the night.
They do what it is they're supposed to do if they want to continue operating in this environment, and then once we are satisfied with what it is they have done, we'll allow them to continue.
Amwe ya aruti a wĩra kirabu-ini giki makiremwo ni kuhitha maruru mao na kwĩiturura kuri andiki a mohoro.
These people must be reasonable. We are very depressed now. Where are we going?
Was there noise?
Tumesoma.
Was there noise here?
Mmekuja mkapata kelele hakuna, lakini mnatufungia alafu tuende wapi? Tuko na watoto basi.
Mugurio wa irabu iria ire gukuhi na cikaro cia andu wambiriirio muthia-ini wa mwaka muthiru ni gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja, uria warutire watho irabu ici ithondekwo undu inegene ritari igwikaga kana ihingwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
We have our rights as workers.